Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to react to a message in TikTok's inbox. Adding reactions to messages can help you express your emotions and make your conversations more engaging. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on Inbox to access your TikTok messages. Choose the account or chat where the message you want to react to is located. Step 3. Within the chat, find the message you wish to react to. Tap and hold on the message until a menu appears. Now, tap on the emoji icon from the emoji bar that appears. By following these simple steps, you can easily react to a message in TikTok's inbox and add an emoji to express your feelings. We hope this guide has been helpful in learning how to react to a message in TikTok's inbox. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy making your conversations more expressive with the message reaction feature in TikTok's inbox